With UpKeep Analytics, you can report on anything. Work orders, parts inventory, asset data, you name it. Whether you're looking to reduce costs and time spent on work orders or achieve the full useful life of your assets, UpKeep Analytics makes it a snap. And it's not just standard reporting. With UpKeep Analytics, you can identify maintenance trends and determine which sites are spending the most on maintenance with drill-down reporting. View your consumption costs, parts consumed, and consumption trends month over month to prevent unnecessary expenditures and know exactly what's in your inventory at any time, day or night. Set more precise automated work orders to see how frequently you're hitting your meter threshold on your assets. Understand breakdowns more clearly and make changes quicker to achieve the full useful life of your assets through uncovering breakdown trends and implementing PM schedules. See what types and where maintenance work teams are dedicating their time and determine the most common types of equipment failure. With our starter plan, you have access to 30 days of historical reports with professional, full historical access. But with your Business Plus plan, you can create your own reports, build your own dashboards, and leverage all of the data your team generates to gain insights into everything and anything. UpKeep Analytics is your passport to next-level reporting. Start your adventure today.